Are you ready to supercharge your immunity and boost your overall health? Look no further than the ultimate immune booster juice. Packed with a combination of powerful ingredients such as oranges, carrots, lemons, ginger, and turmeric, this juice is the perfect way to give your immune system the extra support it needs. The immune booster juice recipe is simple yet effective. Start with fresh navel oranges, which not only juice the best but also provide tons of flavor. Combine them with carrots, lemons, ginger, and a dash of turmeric powder for an added anti-inflammatory boost. These ingredients are rich in vitamin C and other essential nutrients that are known to strengthen the immune system and fight off cold and flu. Whether you prefer using a juicer or a blender, this immunity-boosting juice is easy to make. Simply blend or juice the ingredients together until you achieve a smooth consistency. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add some cayenne or black pepper for extra benefits. The possibilities are endless. But the benefits of this immune booster juice don't stop there. In addition to the juice, it also suggests incorporating other immune-boosting foods into your diet. Soups like tomato basil or cream of mushroom are mentioned as great options to support your immune system during the fall and winter seasons. If you're looking for more options to supercharge your immunity, there are plenty of other beverages that can provide a similar boost. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and other citrus varieties are excellent sources of vitamin C. Green apple, carrot, and orange combinations are also great for immune support. Beet, carrot, and ginger juices can provide a powerful punch of nutrients as well. When it comes to improving your health and fighting off viruses, drinking juices or smoothies can be a game changer. Vitamin C is crucial for immune support, and it's abundantly found in citrus fruits. Additionally, carrots, apples, and oranges are a winning combination for boosting your immune system. Tomatoes offer folate and anti-inflammatory properties, while kale and horseradish can provide added support. For a sweet treat, try blending strawberries and kiwis into your smoothies. Don't forget about the power of dairy products in supporting your immune system. Milk and Greek yogurt are excellent sources of protein and vitamin D, which can reduce the risk of respiratory infections. And if you're looking to relieve muscle soreness while boosting your immunity, watermelon is your go-to fruit. In conclusion, if you want to give your immune system a much-needed boost, look no further than the ultimate immune booster juice. Packed with a variety of nutritious ingredients like oranges, carrots, lemons, ginger, and turmeric. This juice is sure to supercharge your immunity and keep you healthy all year round. So grab your juicer or blender and get ready to take your health to the next level. Do the tests and share with us your experience.